Precision Impactor device installation. Unpacking and accessories display. Main body. Screws. Raw tape. Bracket. Gas adapter. Animal zeroing sensor. Impactor head. Pressure regulator. Screen. Magnifier. U-shaped bracket. Gas tube. Power line. XY slide plate. Base plate. Installation. Place the brackets on the base plate, aligning the screw holes. Put in M625 hexagon socket head cap screws and tighten them. Chosen heightening bracket with the precise rotational adapter. Place the main body on the base plate. Put in M625 hexagon socket head cap screws and tighten them. Place the XY slide plate on the base plate. Align the XY slide plate with the screw holes. Put in screws and tighten them. The plates can be adjusted in both XY direction by the knobs. Put the U-shaped bracket on the XY slide plate. Use Phillips screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws, which fixed the screen. Find the power port under the screen and insert the power cable. Install 3 AAA batteries on the magnifier. Attach the magnifier on the support. Switch on the light when needed. Install the impactor head on the adapter. Tighten the impactor head, then tighten the 2 screws. Find the power port under the screen and insert the power cable. Align the 2 red points. Put the rotational adapter on the U-shaped bracket. Align the ear bar and lock the screws on both sides. Lock the fixed screw on the front. Connect the pressure regulator on the outlet of the nitrogen cylinder. Ensure the nitrogen cylinder is closed during installation. The impactor requires a pressure of 0.68 to 0.8 megapascals. The standard pressure regulator can meet this requirement. Connect gas pipe to the pressure regulator and tighten it. Connect the gas pipe to the impactor on the gas inlet port and tighten it. The installation procedure is completed. For more details and operation, please refer to the user manual.